Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of crypto airdrops and how beginners can take advantage of them. If you've ever dreamed of earning free crypto just by participating in simple tasks, then this is your treasure map to success. Let's get started. What are crypto airdrops? Crypto airdrops are promotional events where blockchain projects distribute free tokens to users to create buzz around their coin or platform. These airdrops are often tied to new launches or campaigns and can be a great way to kickstart your crypto journey without any investment. How to spot the best airdrop forms like Scan Explorer act as your guide in finding the hottest coins, whether it's trending names like Memil, Crypto King, or Laycoin. These tools let you track active airdrops and upcoming opportunities in real time. Steps to join crypto airdrops. 1. Set up a wallet. Create a compatible wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet for receiving your tokens. 2. Follow projects on social media. Stay updated with announcements by following projects on platforms like Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. 3. Sign up and complete tasks. Most airdrops require you to sign up and complete simple tasks, such as joining a Telegram group, sharing posts on social media, subscribing to newsletters. 4. Verify your wallet address. Once the tasks are complete, provide your wallet address to receive the tokens. Why crypto airdrops are a win for beginners. Zero investment. Start earning crypto without spending money. Learn while you earn. Explore new projects and understand blockchain ecosystems. Potential gains. Early airdrop tokens can skyrocket in value over time. Pro tips for airdrop success. Avoid scams. Be cautious of fake airdrops that ask for private keys or upfront payments. Stay organized. Keep track of your airdrop tasks and deadlines. Leverage tools. Use platforms like Scan Explorer to streamline your hunt for treasure-worthy airdrops. The meme coin game is a treasure hunt, and platforms like Scan Explorer are your map. Whether it's Memil, Crypto King, or Laycoin, the hottest coins are waiting for you. Start exploring and don't miss your chance to strike gold. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for your shot at free scan tokens. Let's get hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.